Shell said the number one crisis right now is there's no spare capacity around the world. No spare capacity.
Oil?
Right.
Yeah.
And that's the number one issue right now. So Steve, there are just so many things that Steve Forbes, there's so many things going on. We've got this ESG movement, which is, by the way, playing a big role in this as well. You've got the Federal Reserve playing a big role. What is the Federal Reserve's ultimate goal here?
The ultimate goal is to create a recession. They'll call it a soft landing, but that's Fed speak for a crash landing because they think that lowers prices. And they're right. When you depress an economy, you throw businesses out of business. They reduce prices to get rid of inventory. That's what we did in the 70s. We'd get a recession, prices would come down, and then they'd undermine the dollar again, and so you get inflation back again.
So it's just a wild
learned nothing
cycle
from the 1970s.
Right, it's just a crazy, unnecessary cycle that we're going through right now.
This is an investment show. If you look at what happened to the stock market in the 1970s, adjusted for inflation, Steve, it was down like 50%.
Right.
So people lost half their money. So when we see, and during the 1970s, there were all these false rallies and then crash, false landing. I hate to say this, I think we're in a false rally right now.
Oh, boy.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.